In this video, we will demonstrate the film deposition procedure using a Mayer coating bar. The T-cast can also be used for film deposition with this accessory. Position the Mayer coating bar over the substrate. To secure the coating bar, use the two supports and the supplied screws. Install the supports on both ends of the coating bar and tighten the screws. Ensure that the locking pin on each support is properly engaged in the slot of the push bar. Dispense the film forming solution in front of the coating bar. Press the start button to move the coating bar over the substrate and perform the film deposition. At the end of the coating stroke, turn off the vacuum system. Remove the coating bar. Press the start button to return the push bar to its home position. Carefully remove the substrate with the deposited film. After removing the substrate and the accessories, clean the coating bar.